This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre Coupe, and it's the boldest Rolls-Royce ever made. Rolls-Royce didn't just go electric, they went divine. The Spectre isn't just a current's rolling royalty. A $400,000 coupe that whispers like a ghost, accelerates like a sports car, and looks like it's sculpted by angels.
Every line on the Spectre is hand-sculpted to perfection. The long hood, fastback roof, and flowing panels reduce drag but turn every street into a red carpet. And those suicide doors. Still iconic. Still unbeatable. You'd expect comfort, but this thing hauls. With 577 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque, the Spectre glides from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. For something that weighs more than a pickup truck. And yet it feels like floating. But the real flex is inside.
You're not just stepping into a cabin, you're entering a galaxy. Starlight headliner, backlit door panels, crystal controls, hand-stitched seats, and everything. Custom made, even your name can be etched into the dashboard. This isn't transportation. This is art, a throne, a silent revolution that doesn't scream wealth, it whispers power. So here's the million-dollar question. Is this the most beautiful EV ever built? Or is it too much luxury for one person to handle? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow for more insane luxury rides.